It's
Ooh,
just a bird.
it's just a bird. Hello, bird. Hello, bird. Where you
Where's
going,
it?
bird? Right here. That's great, bird. Was it nice to visit us? Oh, how about you go out the door? Can you do it? Cheese and crackers. Cannot. Yeah,
Don't know where to go.
birds are really dumb that way. They just can't handle it, you know? Holy. They don't.
Eee. Oops.
This way is good too, buddy.
You go outside. Oops.
Aren't you supposed to be shooing at it? Sweep it out of here.
How can I? It's moving so fast.
Ah! It's gonna get tired pretty soon.
Oops.
Still likes to hang here, huh? Does a good job hanging on the wall.
You go outside.
Oh shoot, that was close. I almost went.
Okay, can't find where's. Cannot find where is outside.
Yep, they're dumb. Birds are really dumb. Has no clue what it's doing.
Mm.
Hey! Jesus.
Shh.
I need a weapon. Do I have a weapon? Here's a weapon. Well, I'm glad it's not a bat, you know.
It's not.
Okay. Thank you. Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom.
Here.
Whoa, I love, whoa. Things getting faster. Just hit it down.
Oops. Oops. Good luck.
Close the pocket door. Well, we don't have one. Well,
Where's it?
that could have, well, I think it went in the bath. No, it didn't go in the bathroom.
Done already. Maybe outside. Okay.
Okay.
We're done.
Wow.